Scanner, please. Elevate the rein a bit. Bumper back. Bumper back a bit. Reverse speed. Reverse. You let her go down to a trot. Don't try to steer with the rein. Make it a nice, even turn into the middle. Now, there, lead change. You're trying to pull her, why are you pulling that way? Huh? Drop that left rein on that side, honey. Yep. Reverse. Drop the left rein. Thanks.
She always cuts it.
Now, drop the left rein. There you go. Good job. Now, drop the right rein. There you go. What a nice lead change. Elevate the rein a bit. Elevate the rein. Bump. Slow it down. That's it. Now, drop the left rein. There you go. What a nice lead change, honey. Put you on Dancing with the Stars.
Even Sully.
Now, drop. Wrong lead. Drop the left rein. There you go. Say ho. There. Start where I'm at here. Go around here, close to that wall. Straight into that wall here. Put her nose right on the board. And ho here. 3 times. Okay. Ready? Go. Right into the wall. Oh. Right into the wall. Oh. Don't let her turn. Back up. Back. Back, 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 back. Pivot. Good. Come back here. Don't you let her turn. I want to skid stop into that wall. Okay, don't let her turn. She's got to stop. Okay. All right, do it again. Straight in. Ho. Back up. Back. She saw the head. There, now use your legs. 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 That's it. Back. Bump back. Bump, bump, bump. Seesaw that head. Don't let her turn on you. Seesaw up. Get the head down. Now use your legs. Get the head down. Head down. Now back up. There, keep it there. Now back. Use your legs.